Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fetch all the data that is present in a table in PostgreSQL database with the help of Spring Boot. So let's get started. So I've already done a video on how to connect Spring Boot with PostgreSQL database and also post data. So if you want to watch that video, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top, else we can continue with the fetch operation. So before that, let me explain you the code. So this is my model which is called as person, and it directly corresponds to the table, and I'm having ID, name and email. So these are the three columns that are present in my table. And next is going to be the person repo, simple stuff, the class name and the primary key data type over here. And final thing is the controller. I'm already having a post operation path, so here we will be adding our get operation path also, and I'm just getting the object from the repository and saving the response. Just a standard post operation there. So now let's begin with the get operation. So first we'll be starting by creating a function. It's going to be public space, and here we will return a list of object of person. So this is my table, okay? So we will be returning entire thing in a form of list. So it will be something like this. So it will be like comma this one, but inside a list. So this is the response data that we will be getting from the table. So this is an object of person, this is an object of person, but since it is present in a list, we will be putting here list of our class name, which is person. Okay, so it's going to be list of person. Next is going to be the function name. You can just have in, you just need to import this, and it's going to be get all person, and we aren't going to pass any parameters, just a fetch all operation there. And next, as I told you, we will be getting a list of person. Just have a variable person list equal to our repository name, which is person repo. It's going to be person repo, the variable name, and dot find all. So this will fetch the entire data from the table. And final thing is the return keyword, return person list. So that's pretty much it, and we need to specify the path over here. So it's going to be at get mapping, and I'll just go with fetch all. That's it. Copy the path and just rerun the application. That's it. Application has started. Port 8080. Go to Postman, and you're just going to go to none. We aren't going to pass any data, and this operation should be changed from post to get, and also change the path. Okay, and now in the response, as I told you earlier, we will be getting list of many objects like this. So just send it, and here you can see this is the list of objects. So if there's a list, this is one person object, another person object, another person object. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in CRUD operations by using Node.js, Spring Boot, and MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL, AI APIs, and tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.